Right, good morning guys and girls. So I've got this Fibonacci that I pulled from the highs in the beginning of the month to the low, and then you'll see we're exactly on the we rejected off that golden pocket, that 618 level of the Fibonacci. And then I think we also on the we've just wicked through the 6.6 on the Fibonacci again on the way down, so you will obviously there we need to find support in confluence with this point of control of this lower range here. So once we're right on that value area high, so once we get accepted, we wicked into the value area. So if we get accepted into that value area, maybe a 30 or 15 minute candle close inside here, then we're probably going to be back in this range. So that will be a bit bearish because we got rejected there, and we're not going to make a high. We need to get above that $45,000 level. So that's basically my plan for the day. Is I want to see if we're getting accepted in here, or we're going to find support and move back up. So just very briefly here, so this is obviously the same range at the bottom here. We're trying to find support there. Yesterday or the previous day low, remember a few weeks ago I used to give you these daily levels. I don't really do that anymore because that's more for day trading or scalping, but I want to show you these, or I left these levels on my chart to show you for example that if you look this early this morning, once Bitcoin lost that level and it went back and retested the previous day point of control, clear rejection there, and then the downtrend started this morning. So there's the daily open. So I get that from a paid platform, but I just want to show you it's not that as accurate. But if you take it from 2 o'clock, that's when the market opens, or when the previous day ends, to 2 o'clock, no, it's down here, 2 o'clock where it started. Just take a fixed range pull and you see that point of control is not 100%, but it's close enough. So you can still do a lot with just with free software available. And then the previous day equilibrium I've showed you before. I can just show you that quickly again to refresh. What I normally do is I go onto these other candles, just makes it a bit easier. So your magnet must be on. You'll see that is the previous day, that line there. So the previous day low is quite obvious, and the previous day high you can put that in. And then I use just a Fibonacci that's got a 50%, that's 0.5, and then your equilibrium is right there, 40605. You see 406, that's where I get it. I don't get the equilibrium off a paid platform. I just do it myself. Go back to the normal candles, maybe on the 30 minutes, then we can see what we saw there. And you can just see there, we just found a little bit of support on the equilibrium, but then dumped down again. So I'm waiting for this, obviously, to see if we can hold above this point of control first of all, and stay out of that value area. And then a sign of strength will be if we flip this, which is this support resistance, which has become resistance now. If we can flip that into support, then obviously we're going up. Otherwise we're going to get into this range or even lower. I just wanted to show one or two more fixed range pulls here. That one is obviously this whole area that we were in there. See how powerful that point of control is. We rejected right off of it now, and there's just one. That's just the upper range. So I'm gonna leave this here for today. So you obviously see what my plan is. I want to see if we hold resistance here. I'm not just jumping into a trade, and then preferably get above that support resistance line there, and then I'll try and get in and try and work my way up to the top again. So that's it for the day. Keep your eyes on the charts, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Cheers.